I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your OneDrive client is up to date and you are signed in. This prevents version conflicts. Next, make sure you have enough cloud and local space and a stable network so files can transfer. Once done, restart the OneDrive app or sign out and back in to force a fresh connection. These immediate actions clear cached auth tokens and often kickstart stalled sync, so try them before moving on to deeper fixes. Now diagnose the problem. Inspect the sync status icons and read any error messages shown. They tell you what's wrong. Pause syncing briefly, then resume, and verify selective sync isn't excluding folders you need. If errors persist, run the OS Network Troubleshooter to rule out connectivity quirks. Then unlink and relink your account to rebuild the sync database. Doing this rebuilds relationships between local and cloud files and resolves many corrupted index scenarios. Finish by forcing a full sync. Restart your PC and reopen OneDrive to prompt a complete reconciliation. Make sure there are no file name conflicts, rename duplicates, or illegal characters that block syncing. If problems continue, run OneDrive's built-in repair or clear its cache to remove corrupted indexes. You may also move problematic files temporarily out of the OneDrive folder. If that still fails, free up space and re-upload affected files. Key tip: check conflict copies folder to restore unsynced changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.